Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Evoque 2-litre D200 Autobiography, finished in Santorini black metallic paint, with 21-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include pixel LED headlights, red brake calipers, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the panoramic roof from the inside, as well as the Suedecloth Headlining, and we have the deep garnet and ebony winter leather seats. And on the centre console we can see the rear climate vents and rear heated seat buttons. As we look into the front of the cabin now, we can see the memory seat buttons on the door card, and turning in we can view the heated and cooled front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the heated steering wheel button with the adaptive cruise control, chrome gear shift paddles, the interactive driver display, head-up display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the heated and cooled seat controls, the 3D surround camera system display, and on the centre console we have the wireless charging pad and the gear selector and cup holders. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.